Guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guys channel. My name is Beatrice, and today's video I will showing you how to download Shizuku on Android 14, 15, and 16. Right. You know, the Shizuku app is actually for older versions because when the app was last updated, it was last updated on March 2024, and by then there was nothing like Android 14, 15, or 16. That's why you actually need to update the app. Like, once you want to install it, it's not going to be allowed on Play Store because you're using a newer version. Because as you can see, this app isn't available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android. So how do you get it? You go to your Chrome and you search for Shizuku, and once you search for that, you can now see this one right here for Android, Shizuku for Android. You click on it and you wait for it to load up, and you can see get the latest version. This one was actually released June 3rd, 2025. So you can now install it to your phone. So what you need to do is click on this arrow and it's going to take you up here, and you can see download. So it's actually waiting to actually, so you click on that and you wait. All right, and you can see you want to download Shizuku, and you click on download anyways. So it's going to download. Click on open. It has been downloaded immediately. Click on install, and it's going to start installing. So let's wait for it to install. So it's still going. So it's going to actually take a while. That's why you need a very good internet connection. So you click on open, and this is the Shizuki app, right? If this guy does helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my positive status. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.